Plaster was once the most common and popular form of interior wall finish. It may have seen a slight change in fortune ever since the pressed gypsum board known as drywall became widely available, but is still used extensively. It originated in the mid-17th century, so you may think of plaster as a wall finish only found in historical or old homes. However, this ancient material still offers a number of benefits in modern applications. This compound can be used to decorate and stylize your homes in varied styles, ranging from Victorian to French designs. The living space of your beautiful home needs something more than barren, smooth, distempered walls. Plaster adds a sense of fullness, thereby accentuating the wholesome look of your home. If your aim is to instill the wow factor into your room at minimal cost, this can often be achieved using plaster molds on your walls and ceiling. There are many aspects to be considered while choosing the plaster molds, like theme, colors, size and design. Even the slightest change in shade or depth would turn it into a work of art. The possible choice of designs is particularly infinite. Plaster provides varied charming design opportunities for your room, like plaster cornices, architectural columns, decorative plaster ceilings, archway ceiling domes, plaster ceiling panels, decorative corbels, plaster fireplaces, decorative vents, acoustic ceiling tiles and acoustic panels. Plaster can be cast into any imaginable shape and is ideal in many different situations. It offers unlimited design possibilities, from traditional European design to modern contemporary style. Plaster not only lends to elegance and beauty to the walls, but it also enhances durability. If properly mixed and applied, a plaster coating creates a stronger and more durable wall finish than drywall. The walls became stronger due to the chemical reaction that takes place when water escapes the plaster mixture. Plaster is more resistant to knots and dents in most cases. The lath or backing used behind the plaster also affects its strength. A modern metal lath or tough backing boards are more durable than the thin wooden lath strips used in historical houses. One of the most benefits of using plaster is the installation procedure. It is quite easy and convenient to install, since it does not generate any kind of dust except for a small amount released when water is first added to the powder. Moreover, plaster doesn't need any kind of sanding, and a wall can be plastered within a shorter time frame. It also doesn't require sanding, and if multiple coats are used, they usually are applied before the bottom layer is completely dried. A plaster wall takes less time to finish and produces less mess. Thanks for watching. Until next time.